Still waking up with neck or shoulder discomfort? Tossing and turning all night can take a toll. Often, the culprit is your pillow. If you're tired of restless nights, it might be time for an upgrade. Introducing the Premium Pillows Standard Size Set of 2, filled with fluffy 7D down alternative. These pillows combine softness with supportive loft, so they don't go flat overnight. The gusseted design keeps their shape and adds extra durability. Wrapped in soft fabric with detailed stitching, they bring that luxury hotel-quality comfort right to your bedroom. Fluff them up, and you'll feel the difference instantly. Whether you're a side sleeper, back sleeper, or stomach sleeper, these pillows adapt perfectly. They offer a balanced feel, soft enough to cradle your head, yet supportive enough to maintain proper neck alignment. It's everyday comfort designed for every kind of sleeper. Ready for better sleep? Check out the premium pillows through the link in bio and give your bed the upgrade it deserves. Sweet dreams await.